Dr. Sheetal Agarwal. I'm a senior consultant gynecologist and obstetrician practicing at Rosewalk Hospital in Panchsheel Enclave, South Delhi. Today I'm going to discuss something very important in our lives, how to welcome menopause. So here I will tell you what exactly is menopause, क्या symptoms होते हैं, and how can we make changes in our life so that the menopause becomes bearable and we actually welcome it in our life. Now what happens actually in menopause? Menopause means the periods, they become irregular. And by irregular I mean the cycle length increases. It may not come in 30 days, it may come in 40 days, 50 days, and the duration decreases. If the periods used to last for 5 to 6 days, now they last for 2 to 3 days or so. Now this is normal in menopause, but suppose you have very heavy bleeding, there is no cyclical pattern in bleeding, you are bleeding every week, every 10 days, and bleeding is heavy, that is definitely not menopause. That is something pathological is happening in the body. You have to show to a gynecologist, get your scanning done, get your ultrasound done to rule out so many changes, so many pathological changes in your body, like it could be fibroid, it could be cyst, it could be endometrial hyperplasia. So don't consider heavy bleeding as a menopausal bleeding. What are the other symptoms in menopause? You can have hot flushes, you can have mood swings, you can suddenly you can go into depression and you don't feel like talking to people, or you suddenly feel so there's so much, you feel so hot, the AC may be at full swing and you are feeling hot. Then there is weight gain can be, some people experience weight gain during menopause. So these are some of the symptoms. There is loss in sex drive, like there is loss of libido, you have just no interest in sexual activities and you feel guilty about it, and many times you feel that your marriage is at rocks because you are not having any sexual drive at all. So these are the normal symptoms of menopause. Ladies, don't be worried about it. This happens most of the time to many ladies. So how exactly can we adapt our lifestyle so that we can decrease these symptoms to some extent? So normally start taking care of yourself. By that what I mean to say is start having me time of yourself. You start doing some physical activity. Strength training is very important. Even if you have not ever been done strength training during menopause, it really helps you to overcome your psychological thing. It helps you to overcome osteoporosis, which we see very commonly during menopause. Start some yoga exercises, start doing your walking, start doing your strength training. Then you have to take very good care of your diet during this time. Your diet should have more of calcium in it to prevent osteoporosis to some extent. Don't starve. At the same time, don't take fried fatty things which in some way helps you to gain weight. Your diet should be very healthy. Start engaging yourself in social activities if you have not done so far in your life. Maintain your friend circle. Try to go out, because this is the time your children have now flown out of the nest. You relatively have more time to yourself. You may be climbing your ladder of success at this point of time, but again maintain active social contact, give time to yourself, take proper care of your diet, include calcium in your diet, include these chia seeds, and include flax seeds in your diet. All these help you to overcome symptoms to some extent. I also advise to go for soya bean products in your diet so that they mimic estrogen and they help you to relieve the symptoms of menopause to some extent. In our country, especially in the hot humid weather, to avoid hot flushes, wear cotton clothes, loose comfortable cotton clothes. Basically what I mean to say is welcome this period in your life, because this is the time when you are really free of the menstrual problems, you are free of the menstrual cramps, you are free of that fear that unprotected sex can lead to pregnancy in you. So this is the time when you should really enjoy. I would like to say here one more thing, that don't think that अब मेरे periods खत्म हो गए तो अब मेरे को तो बुढ़ापा आ गया. This is the beginning of new phase in your life, girls, ladies, and mind you, बुढ़ापा आज की डेट में 70 के बाद आता है. तो अगर आप 45-50 में आपका menopause हो रहा है, enjoy this life, lead an active life, active social life, active physical life, and active sexual life. And I'm sure you're all going to enjoy this phase. Thank you.